Hello guys, so we are going to do an art journal page today. So I am starting with the glossy spray of Dina Wakley in this gray color, and I am just applying it randomly on the page. By the way, I am almost finished the art journal, so I will do a flip through in the next video probably. And now I am using just acrylic paint in gray, and just do this brush stroke with this brush. And now I am using just a simple stamp of the letter, alphabet letter that I have, and just randomly on the pages, because we are building the main page and then the secondary page. And here I have this piece that came in a package, and I am using it as a template, and you will have this shape as well as the focal point and the sentiment in my blog if you want to download it. And so now that everything is dry, I will use the template to create the shapes. And I am using the Stabilo pencil. You can use also a marker, black marker. And I am just drawing the shapes, and they touch a little between them. And here I'm just increasing the density of the shapes. And I will be doing 7 of them. It depends on the size of your page, but in my case with 7 was fine. And then also in the secondary page. And here is something new, and it's that I made myself this focal point that you have for download, free download in my blog. I will leave you the link below. And so I would love to see if you use it following this page or in another page, to do the hashtag in the Instagram so I can see it. And now we are going to build the base for the focal point. So I am using here very cheap scrapbooking paper, but you can use whatever you have around. Just make sure that you have like a light blue and a darker blue. You can even use your own mixed media papers if you want. And I am creating these donuts, let's say, these circles that are gonna be on the page. And I am using a punch for that, and it's an old punch, so it's not cutting super well, but I like it. That is not perfect, so I am just using it, and I have it more than 10 years that I have this punch. Yeah. And so now with the darker one, it's gonna be the base for everything. And I am just playing with the papers, and in the end I arrive at to this distribution. And I am using half of the shapes because they are going to be like behind the focal point. And I absolutely love the focal point. I'm super happy. And I create this mini donut that in the end I will be using also. And now the secondary page where I normally do my journaling. And now I'm covering everything with cardboard because I am going to use spray paint. So I have acrylic spray paint, and I am covering everything with cardboard, and I am using a mask, and I have opened the window. So, and this is just super unpredictable, so I liked at the end what I get. And now I am just building the base for the focal point. I am using fluid matte medium, but you can use whatever glue for paper you have around, because it's simple paper, but I like to use the fluid matte medium. I am using one of Liquitex. And that's it, we have the page. What I did here is just use the sentiment that you will also have it in my blog. And now I am using a set after stamp to break a little the blank on the borders. And that's it for today. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel. And as I said, if you use the focal point, just let me know. And that's it for today. See you next time, guys. Bye.